If you're looking to turn off auto enhance in your iPhone photos, that can help you maintain the original look of your images without automatic adjustments. Here are the steps to disable this feature. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Disable auto enhance. Open setting, scroll down, tap apps, scroll down, tap photos, scroll down. Turn off view full HDR. Solution 2. Disable HDR and enable normal photos. Open setting, scroll down, tap camera, scroll down to bottom. Turn off HDR, turn on keep normal photos. Solution 3. Enable raw images. Open setting, scroll down, tap camera, tap formal. Enable Apple Pro RAW for image. Now restart your iPhone. By following these steps, you can easily turn off auto enhance in your iPhone photos and maintain the original appearance of your images without automatic adjustments. Still have questions? Please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.